We're about to get there. It's like negative 20 degrees right now, but I think we'll be alright for the next couple of hours. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip and let's have fun. Let's go.
You're so dramatic.
It looks like a face, look. You look like you look very wise.
Welcome to Discovery Channel. This is Emilio. And he's in his natural habitat right now.
Oh yeah, it looks pretty familiar, except that it's damn cold.
Welcome to my crib.
It's a nice place you got here. This looks like a pretty big house.
Yeah. They're scared. Emilio, it looks like you're like walking home right now with your bag of food.
I am. This looks pretty much
Like Ecuador?
my house will be right there.
So we go to your house?
Huh? No, my house will be down there, not on the top of the pit.
Huh. It's so Asian.
I know. That's why I do it. This tree is my piece.
What do you think about that?
I think it's real.
You're gonna start doing it too? Show me Korean stuff.
Why?
You're just taking your time. Casual. I like it.
That is a really vivid video.